Hello, pioneers. People are earning up to $5,000 from NFT generative art. And if you are a creative designer, this one is especially for you. A few weeks ago, actually, I uploaded a job post in freelance group, and the response was too low, and people don't have an idea what is generative art and how NFT collection works. So I thought it will be good if I make a video for this. I In today's video, we will be talking about what is an NFT collection and how you can create one and how you can test one. So for that purpose, you will be needing few tools. And if you have any other topic apart from this, you can feel free and comment, and I will cover that next. So the tool you will need are Photoshop or Illustrator. You can use any. VS Code for compilation, and not to be installed on your PC. So uh, these are the softwares. You can just download it from the link. I will share the links in the description. You will need VS Code. After that, let me just show you how you can test it. Over here, I will share this repository on Git, and you guys can download it and you guys can use it. You will just need to change the layers uh, by going to folder like here, and you will just need to change these stuff. So how it will work, you will just design a bit, around 20 pictures, and it should be aligned. Let me just So these are all different layers. This is body, and these are some eyes. So these are different layers. You will design it so that it didn't go apart from each other. So let's compile it. For this purpose, you will need two commands. I'm just npm is installed. Now you will need node index.js, and as you see, I just put it 10 over here, so it will generate 10 generative arts for me. If you need more, you can just increase the number or decrease the number, and it will work. So let me just show you what I get. Actually, sorry for that. Okay, so I got this. So you can see how you can generate. So these are different layers aligned through code and generate. So let's go back and generate it again. I will delete this folder, and let's okay, so you can see it's regenerate the build folder. so now the layers will make sense if you go to layer folder and check out what is in the layer folder. You see, these are the different type of hands, but there are shoes, shirt, And okay, this one is, I think it's so you got the idea of what I'm talking about now. So let's see what other developer and designer did so far, so that you get more idea about what you can create and how you can create it. You can see over here, there is a collection, total 9,933, and you can see the basic character is the same, and there is changes in background, uh, head, shirt colors, and stuff like that. So this one is pixel art, so you can also see how you can create this. It's also same basic character, and stuff changes go around it. So that's all for today, I guess. uh, feel free to contact me if needed. uh, you will design your own layer for an NFT collection and put it in art engine, and you will get all the layers and all the NFTs. So what's coming up next? If you are a developer and you are watching this, I will be creating a full tutorial how to create an NFT collection and how to upload it to EVM. Uh, so you can check out that. Uh, Apart from this, if you want to reach me out, you can uh, reach me out through these social media platforms. I guess that's all for today. See you in next one. Bye.